Emostel.
Hi, you're welcome to this video. In this video, we're just going to be discussing the sum of an arithmetic progression. So, well, let me just still maintain the examples that we used earlier. I think in the previous example, we have the sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, and so on. Okay, let's see. Let me just add, 2, 5, 8, 11. All right, okay. Sometimes the question will say, find the sum of the first 4 terms. We say, find the sum of the first 4 terms, or find the sum of the first 20 terms. So they can just say, okay, find the sum of the first nth term of an AP. So the formula to find the nth term, the sum of the nth term of an AP is given here. All right. So where S is the sum, and this is the nth term. All right. Then that term over 2, then 2a plus n minus 1. Just the normal a plus n minus 1d. Put it inside, then put 2. Like this time around, a is not standing alone. It's going to be multiplied by 2. And all of that. So just try to remember the normal a plus n minus 1d, then multiply the a content by 2. Put a square bracket, and then outside you put n over 2. That is how to remember the formula for the sum of an AP, okay? All right, say, now if you want to do this, just come down here. I want to show you the practical way and also the formula way. You know, the practical way is like, okay, if the question says we should find the sum of the first 4 terms of an AP, for instance, so all we just need to do, like, okay, this is the AP, this is the sequence given. So if you add 11 to 8, ideally it's going to give you 19. 19 plus 5 is going to give you 14. And then 14 plus 2 will give you 16. So which means that we know that if we add up these first 4 terms, we are going to get the result as 16. Now, let's see whether we are going to get the same result using this formula. So the formula says Sn is equal to n over 2, open the bracket, 2a, then we have plus n minus 1, then d, close the bracket. So we are going to say, therefore, the sum, let me say, the question says, find the sum of the first 4 terms. So let's assume that's what the question wants us to do. So we have S4, because we are looking for the sum of the first 4 terms, will be equal to what? 4 divided by 2. Open this. We have 2 times 4, then plus, the first term in this series is A. All right, the first term is 2, so we put it there. A is the first term, always. D is the common difference, like the difference between any 2 terms. And then, so we have n, which is 4, okay? Then minus 1. Then the d, which is the common difference, and that is 3. Okay? So, if you have everything that way, then you have 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is going to give you 2. So you have this. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Multiplied by 3. Okay? So we have 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 4. That is 13. So then we have, okay? So 9 plus 4 is 13. Now I have this as 13. Okay? Am I summing up anything here? Just looking, I see okay. Okay, so let's continue. Then we now have 2 times 13. That would be 2 times 3 is 6. That's 26. So that's 26. Okay, let me go back to this addition. 11 plus 8 is 19. Right? My head. So 11 plus 8 is 19. Then 19 plus 5 is 20. I said, oh my God. I beg your pardon. Don't pause. So earlier I said 19 minus 5 is 40. sorting. Don't blame me. This brain has not rested for like 30 hours already. So I'm so sorry about that. So if you check it out, so 11 plus 8 is 19. So 19 plus 5 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. And so it tallies with what we have here. All right, so everything here is 26, so which means we are very correct. So the formula applies and it's nice, it's fine, it works fine. Then the second formula says there's an alternative formula that says Sn is equal to n over 2a plus l. That is, this formula is being applied if you are given, if you know the value of the first term and you know the value of the last term. Don't dull yourself, don't waste your time. All you just need to do is to go to the last term. Now, in this case, the last term in concern here is 11 because S4, that is, we are looking for the sum of the first 4 terms, right? So then we go to the last term, which is 11, okay, which is the fourth term that we are dealing with, okay? So then we are going to, which is the value of the fourth term. So that is 11, and which happens to be the last term, right? So now we are going to say Sn is equal to n over 2. Then you put it there, a plus l. So let's see if it works. So S4 is equal to 4 over 2. Okay. Then what is our a? Our first term is 2. Then plus l. The last one is 11. Okay. All right. So from here we have 4 divided by 2. That is 2. Then 2 plus 11. So 11 plus 2, that's 13. Okay, so 2 times 13, you still end up having the same 26. And that is how it goes. Okay, so these two formulas are the two formulas for finding the sum of an arithmetic progression. And the question may come in any way, but just use initiative, use normal mathematics, apply sense, and you do that. So if you want to see more questions on this, you just check the material that I gave to you, and just check the material with you, the Emostel material. You will see one of them, I solved a series of questions on AP and GP, like that. So just check it out, and then you apply the knowledge of what you just gained here to follow up with whatever I did there. You understand it very clearly, I bet you. So that comes to the end of this class. Don't forget about this. You make sure you learn, you understand, you practice, and you excel. All right, see you, bye.